What did the teacher in your high school get fired for? One of my high school chemistry teachers only lasted 1 year at his first school. He didn't exactly share why when he came to teach at my school the next year, but I worked as a teacher's aide in the chemistry department my senior year, and we got to be decent friends. One afternoon, after doing some classroom demonstrations on the reactivity of cesium, he wondered aloud how cool it would be to react a larger chunk of cesium in a 5-gallon bucket of water. How big of a bang, splash, or fireball would it make? So he cleared all the desks to the edges of the room and placed the bucket in the center. He cut a large piece of cesium, wiped off the excess oil meant to prevent it from reacting while in storage, placed the metal on a spatula, and flipped it into the bucket. At first, it sputtered, popped, and danced across the surface of the water. But then, boom, it suddenly exploded, blowing a large hole in the side of the bucket and spilling 4 gallons of water all over the floor. It could have stopped there, but shortly after he started mopping, the mop burst into flames. He put it out and tried again, but it happened a second time. Switching to paper towels didn't help either. They also randomly caught fire. Turns out the cesium hadn't fully reacted. The explosion had scattered tiny grains of it all over the classroom, and every time water hit those fragments, they ignited. In the end,